Okay. Oh, hold on. Oh, Choto. Okay, let's look inside.
Could be inside.
What? What's that?
What's this?
2 boxes here. With two bags. Nobu, happy Easter. And this one is for Kenji.
Wow.
Oh, should we wait till Easter to open it? So early. Look what's inside. What's in that?
Can I see?
What's in here?
Let's see. I found the shoe.
What? Whoa! Snap!
Mama, beautiful. You?
Oh, those are egg. That's an egg coloring.
And I got.
Oh, Nobu.
I got.
Don't rip it. You put this on the egg.